Hello everyone. Welcome to today's session on areas related to circles. Okay. So in areas related to circles, we will look at the area and perimeter of a circle. Okay. So for a circle, so there are two things that we will learn today, right? What is the perimeter? What is the perimeter? And also what's the area? The formula for perimeter of a circle is 2 pi r, r pi into d, where r is the radius and d is the diameter. So this is d. So d equal to 2 times of radius, that we know, right? Diameter is twice the radius. Now what is the area of the circle? The area of the circle is pi into r square. Okay, so pi into r square. If we need in terms of diameter, then pi into r is d by 2 whole square. That means pi into d square by 4. So what's the perimeter formula? 2 pi r. The perimeter means if we cut that circular shape and extend that, that will come like a thread. So the length of that thread, that is nothing but the perimeter. Perimeter is the sum of the circumference, right? So that is 2 pi r, or pi into this 2r we can write as d in terms of diameter, pi into d. So if you need to know the area, that is pi r square, pi into, if you need to represent in the diameter, then pi d square by 4. So hope you are clear, right? So for a circle, perimeter is 2 pi r or pi d, and the area is pi r square or pi d square by 4. Okay. Now let's look at a quick example, right? So find the area and perimeter of a circle whose radius is 7 centimeter. Okay. So here the radius is given. Let's say this is the circle whose radius is 7 centimeter. So R is given. R is 7 centimeter. Now we know the perimeter formula, right? So what is perimeter? So here radius is given. So we can use the radius formula, which is 2 pi R. So that means 2 into pi value is 22 by 7. That we know, right? 22 by 7 or 3.14. 22 by 7, that equal to 3.14. So based on the values given in the problem, we can use either 22 by 7 or 3.14. Here I'll use 22 by 7 because the radius is 7. So I can easily cut it. So 7 gets cut. So 2 into 24 is 44. The units are important here, 44 centimeter. So that's the perimeter. Now, the other thing we can find is the area. So what's the formula for area? Pi r square. So what is pi value? 22 by 7. R square means R is 7 here. So 7 into 7. 1, 7. This 7 I can cut. So 22 into 7. 7 2 is 14. 7 2 is 14. So 154. So what are the units of area? This is side into side, right? R into R. That means centimeter into centimeter. So the units of area are always in the form of squares. So 154 centimeter square. So this is how you can find the area and perimeter of a circle. This is a simple topic. So now in this topic, we have done what is a perimeter and what is area. So if they gave radius, we can directly substitute. And if they give the diameter, you just find the radius by dividing the diameter into 2. So d by 2, then you get the radius and just substitute into the formula. Okay. So yeah, so that's all for today's session. I hope you all understood the topic, and I'll see you next time. If you have any doubts, you can reach me on my Urban Pro profile. Thank you.